welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Happy New Year! I cannot believe it's 2019 already. Where did 2018 go? I feel like it was such a blur. I kept promising you guys that I was going to be more active on YouTube and it just never happened. I'd had months last year where I was really good and then I had just months where I didn't upload at all. And don't even talk to me about December. I went into holiday mode really early and literally just bummed around for the whole month. But it was the first time all year I'd done that, so I think I kind of needed that break. But here we are, nearly a third into January. I can't believe how quickly this month is going already. I'm super excited because it is my birthday and it's Noah's birthday this month, so it's going to be pretty great. We've got some exciting things lined up and I'm going to try and vlog them all for you. But today's video is makeup routine tutorial, get ready with me. I just thought I'd show you guys what products I've been loving at the moment. It's kind of the products I've been using, I reckon, for nearly a year. Some of them are a little bit newer. The oldest one is probably like a few years old, but it's products that I've used over time, that I use every single day, that I love. I know that they work with my skin. I know that they create this look that I really like and I'm comfortable in. And the main thing for me is that they're quick and easy to apply. I don't have a huge amount of time. Noah's at my mum's today, so I did take my time today. But normally either he's asleep or he's running around and I'm like trying to distract him with something whilst doing my makeup. So I like my makeup routine to be quick and easy. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it is that I do. If you are new here, if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, welcome. My name is Sabina. I make lifestyle, fashion, beauty, mum life, travel, all sorts of stuff on here, all sorts of videos. I love making videos. I love the editing process. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I really enjoy it. And I have got a new camera actually because I spilt my baby milk into my old one. I'm hoping I can get it fixed because it was a really good camera. It was a Canon 80D that I've broken. I've had it for a good couple of years, so it's seen me through a lot of ups and downs and a lot of events and a lot of stuff, so I'm hoping that I can revive it. But I have got a new one now and I'm hoping the quality is better and I hope you guys are going to like the videos that I'm going to make on this. Anyway, enough of my rambling. Make sure you hit subscribe if you haven't. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. If you have any video suggestions, I'd love to know what you guys want to see. Let me know in the comments. I'm thinking about uploading every week now on a Saturday. So one video a week on a Saturday. If you guys think another day of the week would be better, let me know below. And if obviously there's a lot of people that are like, oh, Tuesday, then I'll do it on Tuesday instead of doing it on Saturday. But yeah, let's stop this rambling and let's get on with the video.